Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma FSH test kit. You can see this here. This is the reference part number CFPC-35 and you can see the lot number, expiry date, manufacturing date is given, and this is IVDC certified product. You can see the room temperature, it can be stored in the room temperature. This is 25 test kit pack. If you can look at here, it says Ichroma FSH. Ichroma FSH is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of FSH, Follicle-stimulating Hormone, in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of concentration of FSH. Box contains 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, 1 insertion for use. This is how the box looks like. Let me take you around the box. You can see it's manufactured in Korea. You can see the certification board. You can see Boditech made in Corporation Korea. And this is how the box looks like. We hold it for some time. Okay. Let me open this box for you. It says Ichroma FSH. This is one insertion for use manual is inside. You can see this here. And components. Warning. You can see you have the complete information from limitations, storage, material handling, test setup, sample procedures, testing procedures. You can see the testing procedures, test setup, testing procedure, interpretation of test results. So you have the complete details to conduct your test. And then you get another Ichroma FSH detector tube. You can see here. It has a lot number and expiry date mentioned in this. This is how it looks like. It's nicely, it's completely sealed. And then inside there is one detector tube. You can see this here. Ichroma FSH detector tube, detector diluent. See this here. Let's keep this here. And further you can see there is one ID chip which says ID chip FSH, lot number is mentioned. And there is a 25 cartridges are given here. I'll take 2 cartridges from this. You can see this here. It says Ichroma FSH with a lot number and also the expiry date is mentioned the other side of the cartridge. This is how the box look. Just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech Ichroma FSH test kit, and this is a 25 test kit pack. In this box you get one IFU brochure, 25 detector tubes and 1 detector diluent and 25 cartridges and 1 ID chip. This is how the total test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.